Hey guys, and welcome back to
Postells on Acres.
We are super excited, you guys, to talk to you guys, and please disregard all of the landscaping noise you guys hear in the back. Is that Draco? Why does it sound like that? But anyways, oh, he out here? Oh, he right there. Oh, I'm like, why does he seem so close? Y'all, Draco trying to come outside with us. But anyways, so this has been a long-awaited video. We had to wait until the girls' school year ended to tell you guys this exciting news. So let's head on over to the tiny home. It's been a while since you guys have seen it. I know you guys are asking questions about when we're going to start it, what have we decided to do with it, and all of those things. And a couple of months ago, we finally made our executive decision about something that is going to be life-changing for our family, and I just know y'all are gonna love this. But let's go ahead and take a look. I'm also gonna kind of show y'all the land and what it's looking like, because y'all have seen it during the winter season and the fall season, and you know the grass is growing in. We've had contractors, and we do have another contractor that's about to come and give some more quotes and everything. So we're just really excited to kind of share what's going on. So babe is gonna lead the way. I'm gonna kind of let him go in there. Oh, the sun is glistening as he walks us to the property. And kind of, I should have brought my tripod, but yes, you guys, it's been a while.
Hold on, let me just scoot this. A lot of abandon is going on over here.
Oh, Lord. All these freaking spiders. Oh my gosh. This is crazy. Okay, so just as a refresher, this is what the tiny home is looking like. It's definitely in great condition. Ooh, it scared me. After 2 winter storms, rain, we've been getting rain like every day since May, and it's currently June. And as we can see, the quality and the condition looks very, very well. Like, it looks really, really good.
Phenomenal. So now the time has come. Is it on me?
Mm-hmm.
Oh. So now, yeah, the time has come for us to go ahead and start remodeling the tiny home. We're literally, our contractors are coming out probably by the next time y'all see a video, y'all. We're gonna have lights in here. So we'll go ahead and get the lights, get the wiring down packed. Then we're gonna start framing everything out. We're going ahead and start layering where we're gonna put the laundry room, bathroom, bedroom. Obviously the kitchen is gonna be right here. How did Draco get out?
He's out?
Yes.
Are you sure? Draco!
Come here. Draco!
Oh, there he go. Look at him. It's been a while since y'all saw Draco. He's not, well, he's still a puppy, but look how big he is. Look at him. Look at him. He's huge, you guys. He's huge. He done broke out of our house. Hope you didn't leave the door wide open, Draco. Letting bugs in.
No, somebody would have had to let him out.
Yeah,
we need it.
Oh, he probably went upstairs and someone let him up upstairs because the door upstairs closed. I mean, the door downstairs closed.
Yeah.
Okay, so you guys.
We need to put like a little outdoor living area.
Yes.
Area.
I think that would be really nice. Like, oh, let's put the camera right here, and then I guess we'll share what we finally decided to do so that we can both be in it.
I mean, we think we should have a fire pit at, like in the middle or like on the side. I like over there with these trees right here where it's covered up at.
I think that would be a good idea. However, the contractor did initially say, because we're doing the homemade, are you doing the fire pit?
Yeah.
Okay, well, baby's on it. Oh my gosh. All right, come close.
You need to start going to the woods doing that.
Look at him. Okay, y'all, hopefully the sun is hitting us good. So, we are super excited to announce that we're turning our Postell tiny home into a Postell
school / nursery. That's what it's gonna feel like.
So our girls are now transitioning from, I'm so sorry about that, I'm gonna try to talk really loud, but our girls are transitioning from public school to homeschool. And we made this decision for so many reasons. I'll do another video like on my channel to like talk about that for anyone who cares. But it's so many different reasons and research and time that went into this. We made this decision literally months and months ago. We had been praying about it, and actually during our time of fasting at the beginning of the year is when, you know, God kind of like confirmed to us what I had been thinking about, and it just, the way it happened was just crazy. But we're super excited. So yes, our contractors are going to start the process very soon to wire the home and get the plumbing and everything together so that we can turn this into a school. Of course, we're still going to have a kitchen, because they're like, are we going to have a cafeteria and all that? We're going to have like home ec and all those other fun classes, but of course we just wanted to still have a kitchen there, have a bathroom there.
Well,
are we going to have the laundry?
You know what I'm saying? We're still going to have like a couch, you know, I can go to a bed or something like that, whatever. But it's going to be able to convert into a schoolhouse also. So we got big things we're going to do at this tiny house. And then obviously you guys are going to upgrade and grab another one, put it across the street, well, right here across the land. And, you know, do whatever else we're going to do with it.
Because we still have so many trees. I think Babe has cut down probably at least 60 trees on our property.
Yeah.
So he had to take a break because it is very exhausting. No wonder why they get paid the big bucks.
Go.
For
He probably trying to do that, drink that creek water.
Stay over here by us, buddy. But yeah, so we still have so much to do with our property. And I know some of y'all like, oh my gosh, y'all move so fast with the land and y'all do this. We're having this house forever until God, you know, says otherwise. So we have as much as time as we need to like really do everything that we need, and we have almost 10 acres on our property, and we're going to use this to the best of our ability. So we will start the process, and y'all will see the work starting very soon. So within the next video, we just wanted to wait until they were done with their school year before we announced it.
Yeah. And
we're really excited, and Babe is gonna pretty much actually turn into a mini contractor. Since filming, he has picked up a new business profession, which is landscaping and pressure washing. So that's really good. He did all of our, which he didn't film, but he did all of our pressure washing for our property.
But y'all will see it, like even like the downstairs deck.
Yeah.
Like I pressure washed everything, got it all cleaned up or whatever, because we're gonna make it a really nice living area down there. So. And we got some more stuff coming that you guys, obviously you guys are going to see. But it looks really nice. It looks really nice. I'm pretty sure in the old videos y'all saw like how it looked before. If I could try to find some of the old videos.
Okay, well, I'll talk y'all heads off on my channel, and I'll do like a homeschool video. But we did want to just come and share this, and we're just really excited. So Jeremy has done such an amazing job getting this. I don't remember if y'all know what the before of this area looks like. We also went to start getting some, well, actually we did get some screens. I don't know where they are. It's probably on the inside, but we got some screens because we're gonna, well, Jeremy, well, I may help him in the system because we're gonna do this part DIY. But yeah, so he's gonna get like the screen and enclose all of this so that the bugs won't be as big of a problem. We still have some things that we want to do decorative wise. Well, I have some things I want to do decorative wise on this area, and we still have to get the house painted, which is probably in like the exterior of the house like updated and modernized, which is also a priority for me. So that's why I said I know we really want the hot tub with Jeremy more specifically, but I think we are deciding together that we should just probably wait. So I'm trying to see what he said. No, he didn't respond back. I know he's focusing, but I'll update you guys if things change. Also, another thing, we have moved our chicken coop. So I came back, and the chicken coop, as you guys can see, where we have placed the chicken coop has created such a ugly eyesore. And because the grass is dying after they forage after so many, you know, days of doing it, and I was about to just have him move it over again. He was like, no, we need to go ahead and move the chicken coop on the side of the property that the chicken coop is going to be on, which is all the way over there. So the chickens are all the way over there. And we are going to start that process as well, of we got the protection thing for the chickens. I'll show y'all probably in another video for that update, but we still have the other chicken coop that they're going to be able to walk out into and forage throughout the day. The other chickens are actually ready to come outside, but I'm not going to transport them out here for probably another week or two until we can really genuinely finalize like the safety component of them. I think we're good because Jeremy put, I gotta show y'all exactly what I'm talking about, but he has properly secured the chicken coop itself, but we have to surround the enclosure, and we're having a what is it called, electric wire installed. So that's the update. Yes, baby, that's the update right now, and I guess we'll see in a second when the contractor comes back over here. We gotta get this stuff done, y'all. We gotta get this stuff done. Raphael! Let me FaceTime babe while we get this together. I know I'm looking crazy. My wig probably sliding all kinds of back off my head. Hopefully he answer. I know he in the middle of that project. Bae, you want this to go this far back? You want the concrete to go this far back?
Let me see.
From right there to right there? Like to that tree? You go like to the tree?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. And then just like stop it like this area by this bush?
Yeah, cause look, I'm gonna mulch that right there.
Oh, you gonna mulch all this?
Yeah.
So the concrete gonna start from here or to the step?
It's gonna come from the step.
Okay, so step all the way down, and then I guess right here he gonna mulch it. So let's.
Yeah, like where the bushes at, they don't mulch that, but
Okay, I get what you.
kind of like see the outline.
Okay, so he kind of want that thing to be outlined.
What that talking about?
Yeah, where the outline of the rocks and the outline of this mulch. We gonna mulch. Okay. So get that. Let me get out your picture. We about to go to the tiny home. Raphael over there just a cock-a-doodle doing. You almost done with your project?
Yeah, I'm be done in a minute.
Okay. Well, yeah, we just doing this. I'm about to go to the tiny home now. He got the AC fixed.
You said what?
He got the AC fixed. It was just something minor, he said. Contact. Hey, Lily. Hey, Chance. Hey, baby. So we, like I told you guys, we did decide that we're going to just let this be the goat area. And then we're going to like buy a bulk thing of whatever stuff we need to. They like grass and stuff, so I don't know if we're gonna just do the seedling and let the grass grow, but it's pretty shaded over here. So, and they both can still fit in that doghouse together. Eventually we'll buy another doghouse, but they both fit in there very cozy. And speaking of, it looked like I need to redo the bedding area in there, because it looked like they need some more bedding. Hey babies, hey, y'all want some water and some food? Mama gonna get it as soon as I'm done with this tiny home, okay? And like I said, the chickens are down there. I always come outside with my boots, y'all. You ready for the tiny home? Okay. It's been a long time coming. So thank y'all so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in our next video. And now we need to do our thumbnail. Bye.